Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Speak English with Leo podcast. I am your host, Leo. I hope you are having a fantastic day, full of smiles and energy.
Hello, everyone. I am Anna. It is wonderful to be back here in the studio with Leo and all of our amazing listeners.
Anna, welcome back. You know, I am very happy today. Do you know why?
Let me guess. Is it because you had a good breakfast?
Well, yes, I ate a big sandwich, but also because today we have a very fun topic. But first, Anna, I have a very serious question for you.
Oh, a serious question? Okay, I'm ready. What is it?
Imagine this. It is Saturday morning. No work, no homework. You have free time. Do you prefer to stay in bed and sleep, or do you prefer to go out and run?
Oh, Leo, that is an easy question. I definitely prefer to stay in bed. I love sleeping. Running is hard work.
I agree with you 100%. Sleeping is a wonderful hobby, and that answer is a perfect bridge to today's lesson.
Sleeping again?
No. Today, we are talking about things you like to do, your hobbies, your interests, and how to talk about them in English.
Ah, that is a perfect topic. What do you like to do is one of the most common questions when you meet a new friend.
Exactly. So, Anna, let's start. Besides sleeping, what do you like to do in your free time?
Well, Leo, I am a quiet person, so I like to read.
You like to read?
Yes, I like to read books. I sit on my sofa, I drink a cup of tea, and I read a good story. It is very relaxing.
That sounds nice. Listeners, did you hear that? Anna said, I like to read.
Yes, you can use I like to plus verb. For example, I like to read, I like to sleep, I like to eat.
Very simple, right? But Anna, can I also say I like reading?
Yes, you can. Both are correct. I like to read, I like reading. Same meaning.
Great. Okay, Anna, I have a confession.
Oh no, what is it?
I don't like reading
Really? Why not?
because I fall asleep. Every time I open a book, 5 minutes later, zzz.
Oh, Leo, maybe you are reading boring books.
Maybe. So, if I don't like reading, what do I like to do? I like to play sports.
Oh, you are active. What sports do you like?
I like to play football, soccer. I play with my friends every Sunday. We run, we shout, and sometimes we win.
That sounds fun. So now we see a contrast. Anna likes reading, quiet. Leo likes playing football, active.
Exactly. And listeners, remember, I like playing football is also correct.
Leo, I have a tip to make English sound more natural.
Oh, I like tips. Tell us.
Sometimes saying, I like sounds repetitive, so we can use the word enjoy.
Enjoy. I enjoy this word.
It means you like something and you feel good doing it. But there is one rule.
Uh-oh, grammar alert.
Don't worry. After enjoy, we use verb plus ing.
Examples?
I enjoy walking in the park. I enjoy listening to music.
So I cannot say I enjoy to walk?
No. Say, I enjoy walking.
Okay, let me try. I enjoy eating pizza.
Perfect. Food again, Leo.
Food is life. Okay, we have like and enjoy. But what if I really like something?
Then we use the word love.
Love. strong feeling.
Yes, we use love for people and also for hobbies.
For example, I love watching movies.
Yes, I love traveling.
What kind of movies do you love, Anna?
I love comedies. I like to laugh.
I love action movies. Fast cars, explosions, boom, pow.
Very Leo.
Okay, Anna, we talked about likes. Now, let's be honest. There are things we don't like.
Very true. To make a negative sentence, we just add don't.
I don't like.
I don't like washing the dishes.
Me neither. Wet hands, dirty plates, no fun.
What about you, Leo?
I don't like waking up early.
We already know that.
And food? I don't like spicy food.
Really? I love spicy food.
Perfect. You eat the spicy food, I eat the sweet food.
Deal.
Anna, one last phrase before we finish.
I'm listening.
When we talk about dreams, we say, I would love to.
Beautiful phrase. Very natural.
I would love to learn how to play the guitar.
That's cool. I would love to visit Japan.
Why Japan?
Because I love sushi and cherry blossoms. They look magical.
Wow, we covered a lot today.
Yes, let's review.
I like to read. I enjoy walking. I love singing. I don't like cleaning. I would love to travel.
Simple words, real-life English.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. What do you like to do on Sundays?
Write one simple sentence. For example, on Sundays, I like to sleep.
We will read your comments and give you a heart.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing. Keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.